Today's project is gonna be some seat upholstery cleaning, detailing, swapping. So this is the passenger side seat that I've got right here. And oh, these are the cool 87, 88 seats where it does this big slide feature. That's my favorite to recline on. So they're pretty gunked up, you can probably tell. I already unbolted them all. There's 4 13mm bolts on the back side that go through the seat bracket, and if you slide it forward, back, up, down, left, right, then you'll be able to get to all of them. But what we're gonna do today, we're gonna do our gangster lean seat swap. Since the driver's side's got a lot of wear, it's got that typical lean where it wants to pull you right out or lean you right out the driver's side door. And the passenger side doesn't have any lean because it's got less wear and tear. But they're both very dirty, and the driver's side has a pretty common rip in the butt cushion where you would normally get in the door. So we're gonna swap these butts. They're interchangeable from passenger to driver. You swap them, and then you've got a better fitting seat on both sides. And any rips you may have are gonna be on the inside by your seatbelt, not on the part that you're getting in and out of. So we'll do that when we reassemble. Oh, there's a bunch of glue here. Hopefully this doesn't rip. I don't know what this is. Whew. Still malleable. But we're gonna try this carpet cleaner on it, Woolite, see if that works at all. And first I'm gonna scrub it down with hot water and Dawn dish soap. And we'll get most of the stuff saturated and maybe some of the big stuff out. Toss me that, assistant. Hunter's hiding behind the camera. Ow! That water is hot. Ow, I don't want to get in there. Now I'm just being pretty gentle with this. You can actually take these whole seat covers off. I've made a video on how to do that. If yours is beyond repair and you want to swap yours with a cleaner one from a junkyard, you can take the whole seat cover off. You can actually toss this entire thing in the washing machine and wash it. That helps a ton. You just gotta be careful not to dry it too much when you're doing that. So I'll keep scrubbing on this. You can see some of the stains are starting to fade away, or at least they're all the same dark color, but there's still some deeper ones in there that we'll hopefully be able to get out with our carpet cleaner. Just a bunch of this and a bunch of running the shop vac over it. You think it's gonna work? I have my doubts.
I hope so, but
Yeah. I mean, some of these stains are pretty rough, huh? I still see that one.
yeah, I don't know about like the built-in or whatever caked on stains. I feel like I had this growing up as a kid, and like when you spilled soda on the carpet, like you ran and got it
like
immediately.
You're supposed to do it.
Right, versus like however many years.
Yeah. I don't know how long this stuff's been on here.
Smells pleasant.
Yeah. Most of that's like big ass. And the current seat. I already did some scrubbing, I don't really know. I don't know about this stuff. Not seeing a lot of dirty foam. Chance, but I don't think so. These other guys. maybe I should completely take them off and throw them in the washing machine. Although they may just get blown apart if I do that.
There's a gentle cycle.
That requires me to take them apart. Man, boy. I mean, you guys saw the before. They're not dry yet, but I've scrubbed them. You could still, I mean, this was the driver's seat that was real dark and it was pretty much evenly dark. You can see a few stains here and there, and I couldn't go too hard over here because of the rip, but it's still drying. The foam still kind of whitens up when you brush on it. Otherwise, this was the passenger that it had just a lot more of these localized stains. The seat itself is brighter, but there's these pretty heavy stains that I couldn't get them out. I used the entire bottle on the 2 seats. We'll see how they dry, and I'll move on to the carpet now. This one is pretty bad. Pretty bad here. So, probably could use a lot of hose, but I don't know if the hose would do anything. So, just go with our hot water and Dawn dish soap. Oh, terrible. And it's going to be a lot of this. I do have floor mats, so it's not really, I don't gotta get this completely perfect, just a little better than it is.